Hi, welcome to Redux Recipes. My name is Madhat Dawood, and this is a video course by Pact Publishing. I'm really excited to introduce this course to you and would like to tell you a little bit about myself. I'm a JavaScript engineer with more than a decade of solid experience, and I really love JavaScript and all related technologies, including Redux, of course, and React, which we are going to use in this course. I'm an early adopter of Redux since it was released 2015, and I'm writing blog posts and making free YouTube videos on my channel. So let's have an overview of this course. The first section will be Introduction to Redux. So if you are not familiar with Redux at all and don't know anything about the Redux ecosystem, this section will be very beneficial for you. It's about up and running with Redux and recap for all the concepts around Redux. We will get a non-technical example and we will have a vanilla JavaScript example applying almost everything we will learn in Redux. Then in section 2, it will be integrating with React. We're going to learn a recipe, how to deal with Redux in React, a technical example with React flavor, and we're going to build it from ground up. So you will learn every single line, why and when to write it. In the third section, we're going to understand middlewares in Redux, user-ready ones, and also we will learn when exactly does the middlewares get executed. Section 4 will be about working with deeply nested data. Our example is going to be more complex. We're going to extend it and add more data, and by adding more data, it's a bit more trickier to work with the deeply data in the state, but we're going to make it very simple in this section. In section 5, it will be about handling server data. We're going to make HTTP requests and we're going to have asynchronous actions and how to deal with it and how to handle it in our reducers. And also, we'll learn how to persist data in our application, not to make the same server request every time, and this will eventually enhance our page load time. And the last section will be about unit testing Redux. We're going to write unit tests for all the parts of Redux, including the actions, asynchronous actions, the reducers, and also the connected component of React, which is a bit different than testing the normal React components. So, who is this course for? I would say this course for everyone, since it doesn't require any previous knowledge of Redux. It only requires some JavaScript ECMAScript 6 experience and some basic experience of React. It doesn't matter what OS you are using. For me, I'm using macOS and I'm going to use it during this course. It's High Sierra version 10.13. And about the tools, I'm not going to use a lot of tools. It's only two things. I'm going to use Chrome as my main browser to preview our UI changes, and I'm going to use the wonderful Visual Studio Code as my main editor. And throughout this course, I'm going to teach you some tips and some extensions you need to install to facilitate how you write your code. So here is the deal. By the end of this course, you will understand the workflow of Redux in any application. You will be familiar with all the terms used in Redux ecosystem today, including action, reducer, state, etc. You will learn how to integrate Redux within your React applications, and you will learn how to write middlewares yourself or use ready ones. You will be aware of how to deal with deeply nested data, which by time, as your application is evolving, becomes a little bit harder. And you will learn how to write unit tests for different parts of Redux, and much more.